Hey, Mr. Wagner here. This video is very important. In it, I will teach you the critical components of what I call the coding mindset. If you are still in school, you are often just spoon-fed what you should learn. You go to math class, learn whatever, and then study and regurgitate whatever on the test, and then it's gone. What I'll be teaching you is nothing like that. There are no tests, there's no rote memory. You will be doing, making, and creating. I want you to be aware of how you are learning. You are working hard to understand so you can use the concepts I'm teaching again. There are 5 main components to the coding mindset that I want you to know before you begin the class. They are growth, small bites, hard work, stick-to-itness, creativity. First, let's talk about growth. Oftentimes, this is called the growth mindset. As you are learning to code, I don't want you to say, I cannot do this. Instead, I want you to say, I cannot do this yet. That yet word is so important because it implies growth. I can't make a video game yet. I cannot use an if statement yet. I cannot dunk a basketball yet. You get the point. I follow this every day in my life. 3 months ago, as I started making videos for this course, I could have just said, I cannot edit videos, but instead I said, I cannot edit videos yet. I am learning, I am growing, you can too. The next concept in the coding mindset is small bites. One of my favorite sayings is, how do you eat an elephant? Well, one bite at a time. In this course, we will take larger problems and break them down into smaller, more manageable problems. Solving the smaller problems makes the bigger problems much easier. This is a skill to learn, and by teaching coding using projects, we will be breaking down bigger coding projects into smaller chunks, and that makes our job much easier. Thirdly, let's talk about working hard. There's no magic pill for becoming a game coder, or for that matter, anything in your life. You are going to have to work at it, but that doesn't mean you can't have fun. Working hard means that you watch the videos, actually type the code, don't just copy and paste, run the code, try to figure out what's not working, ask questions, talk to others. Enjoy the process of working hard. I am here for you, and I'm working hard to help you. You can do this. It's just going to take some effort. Next, let's talk about what I call stick-to-itness. I like this term because it's not really a word, but you know exactly what it means. It means you have the fortitude to stick to coding, even when it becomes difficult. You are going to have moments of failure in your coding adventure. There is always a solution to coding problems. You just have to figure them out. Sometimes I am stuck on a problem and I have to go away and think about it. But the solution always comes back to me. Please stick to it. You can overcome coding problems. Just don't give up. And finally, creativity. Coding is a creative process. You are creating a program that has never existed before. That is amazing. There are no rules because this is your creation. As you build the projects in Code with Mr. Wagner, I want you to take what I show you and make it better. Add colors and sound, make better characters, show off your creations. This is why coding is so much fun. One more thing I want you to think about, failure. Failure is an important part of the coding process. You will have code that doesn't work. Just don't give up on it. Just realize this is part of the process. I will give you strategies to deal with code that is not working. Some of these strategies include rubber duck debugging, stepping through code and finding coding answers on the internet. All great coders know where to find the answers when their code doesn't work. So there they are. Growth, small bites, hard work, stick-to-itness, creativity. Those are the 5 mindset components to great coders. Come back to this video whenever you get discouraged. You can do this. Now that you've watched this video, please introduce yourself to the Facebook group with the hashtag #IGotThis. This way, everyone will know you have begun your quest to be a coder and you have learned the 5 components to the coding mindset. See you coding.